Do you have deteriorated teeth? Dread the thought of having to wear dentures? Well, there is a solution, and it may be quicker than you think. For a long time, the team here has been using modern dental implant techniques, providing fixed replacement teeth in as little as 2 days.
Dental implants are titanium fixtures that are inserted in the jawbone under the gums to serve as anchors for the replacement of missing or deteriorated teeth. Traditionally, implants were placed in 2 stages. The dentist would place the implants first, wait for 3 to 6 months before attaching the teeth. During this period, the patient would wear a denture that has been shown to cause later problems with the implants because of the uneven pressure. Today, the process is immediate. The final teeth can often be fitted within days of the surgery. We still need to respect the biological process of integration. We do this by controlling the pressure on the implants with a softer diet for 2 to 3 months. Patients often laugh and say, "But doc, I've been on a soft diet for 15 years." In the past, when replacing a full set, we used 6 or more implants for support. We did that for a number of reasons, one of which was because we weren't sure all the implants were going to work. So we'd put more to cover for the ones that don't work. But we know that implants work or osseointegrate. We also know that they are permanent and cannot be easily undone. So the single most important thing for long-term success is to make them cleanable, because the implants are under the gums, so they cannot be seen, which means the more implants you have, the harder it is to know how to clean them. Today, we can fit a full set to as little as 4 implants. This is known as the all-on-4 procedure. That means all teeth supported by 4 implants. By placing the front implants straight and the back ones at an angle, we overcome the bad quality of bone that we often see in the back of the jaw, while at the same time creating a very strong base to support the teeth. But it's not just the teeth that we look at. For a nice smile, there must be harmony between the teeth, gums and the lips. In those who need this treatment, the gums have often receded or are in bad shape. So the other thing we do in the process is the reshaping of the jawbone, known as an alveolectomy, so as to allow space for what we call aesthetic gum replacement. All this is done at the same time as when the implants are placed.
Dr. Fibyshenko has been performing dental implants since 1996 and works exclusively in this field. In 2009, the Centre for Aesthetic and Implant Dentistry was relocated into a new purpose-built facility that is truly state-of-the-art. But what makes it more special is the integration of diagnostic imaging for on-the-spot diagnosis, general anaesthetic facilities that may well be the envy of many day hospitals, and an on-site laboratory for immediate restorations. In fact, so streamlined is the process here that even the most complex oral rehabilitation with dental implants is almost literally an everyday reality.
The first step is to make an appointment for a consultation to explore your suitability for the procedure and other treatment options. The appointment is typically about 45 minutes, and at the end of it, we provide you with a written treatment plan and a quote. Once you decide to proceed with the all-on-4 dental implants treatment, the next step is for us to take photos and impressions so that our laboratory can start making the new teeth in advance of your surgery. On the day of the surgery, what we call day 1, we remove any remaining teeth, thoroughly clean out any infection or disease, and perform an alveolectomy, the reshaping of the bone. Then the 4 implants are placed, and we can then take an impression of the implants so we can transfer what we previously built in a laboratory onto the implants, ready to try in your mouth a few hours later. The teeth are set in wax and tried in the mouth for fine-tuning. We make all the necessary changes with your input, and once it's approved by everyone, it gets sent for processing, which takes about 24 hours. The permanent insertion of the new teeth takes place the very next day. It's very fulfilling for the whole team to see the patient and the family's reaction when we fit the new teeth.
To receive a free booklet, Register for a public seminar or to book a consultation with an implant dentist, call the Centre for Aesthetic and Implant Dentistry on 8845 5400.